A strong storm lashed southern Japan with torrential rain and strong winds, causing at least 3 deaths. Tropical storm Shanshan made landfall on Thursday morning as a powerful typhoon on the southern island of
Kyushu,
and then gradually lost strength, though it was still forecast to bring strong winds, high waves, and significant rainfall to most of the country, particularly.
Kyushu,
Let's bring in our Asia correspondent, Emma Smith. Good morning to you, Emma. What do we know this morning? Okay, Emma Smith, thank you. One person has been taken to hospital in a serious condition following an apartment fire in Hamilton overnight. Emergency services were called to the Fiti Order property at about 11:20 on Thursday night. Let's go live now to our emergency correspondent, Emma Smith. Good morning to you, Emma. What do we know this morning? Okay, Emma Smith. Thank you. 2 men have been arrested following a disorder incident at a large community gathering at a Sikh temple in Tauranga last weekend. Let's bring in our emergency correspondent, Emma Smith. Good morning to you, Emma. What do we know this morning? Okay, Emma Smith. Thank you. It could take days to extinguish a wildfire burning in a Canterbury pine forest rather. Fire emergency, it says. Let's go live now to Oliver Fox, who joins me this morning. Good morning to you, Oliver. What do we know? Okay, Oliver Fox, thank you. Met Service has issued a number of heavy rain warnings for mainly South Island regions on Saturday, with a strong wind warning in place for the Canterbury High Country. Some stronger winds to watch out though for here again are like places in Wellington, Marlborough, Waipara. As you can hear behind me, it is very windy here in Wellington. Now, a Black Power member who shot at a gang rival outside Wellington Hospital, sending it into lockdown, has been jailed for 2 years and 2 months. John Ray Bu Na Pulan Whakaturu, who was at the first-time offender, appeared in the New Plymouth District Court for sentencing firearm on Friday. In May, the 22-year-old from Taranaki was staying at a Rutherford Street motel while visiting a family member who was on life support at the hospital.